Hello, welcome to 6D Diesels. I'm Al. It is Monday afternoon. More welding, more welding, more welding, more welding. We are, or I am actually, because Don, bless him, is still ill and in hospital. I am back on transit repair this week. The 310, which I've done a little video on, I'll add to this as well. And we thought we might get on a bit with that if we get some spare time, which we probably won't. We also have, hopefully, all coming this week, the last of the bits for this dear little Fit 500. So we've got some new wiring harnesses, because by the time we looked at fixing this exciting mess of stuff here, it seemed a lot easier and cost effective. You've got about 5 or 7 hours worth of hard work to try and fix the mess in here. Or you can buy a brand new wiring harness from Rimbrico for about 135 quid. Very much of a question to answer. But I thought I'd show you the Transit. We love Transit. We'll turn it round. It's become affectionately known as Trigger by my mate and his ground working company, because basically it's had 15 heads and 25 new handles and that sort of stuff. So I will just turn my camera around a minute and we'll show you. We did a bit, and it looks like we're going to have to do some. Hopefully at the moment there isn't a massive rush on this, because Mark is on a bit of a quiet one. Inner sill, centre sill, outer sill, cab corner. So it's all spot welded in there, or spot welded and welded where it needs, seamed up, needs tidying up and painting. So we thought, right, that's that bit good and done. So we'd already started, and we'd done a little bit here ages ago. And I mean, that's quite nice, good. So I thought, right, we had a small hole in a wheel arch in there, which is sort of fairly inaccessible, and you thought that's not good. And then there's another hole down there, and then there was this bit. I thought, oh, well, we're at it. We'll just have a look, see how sort of structurally sound this bit is. Now, I'm no rocket scientist, but I would have reckoned a good poke there and we'll be through. Good poke in here and we'll be through. Cab corner's a bit gaffy, so I thought, well, I can't get to that inner wheel arch to weld it up properly. The outer wheel arch, sadly, is actually quite good. But, well, worst comes to worst. Spoke to the fellow that owns it, and he said, look, you've got to do it. Let's do it once, then it's done. And oh, it's okay. So we thought, right, we'll whip the footwell out quickly, and then we'll unseam the outer wing, order a new one, get a new one, and then when we got the footwell out, it's a Transit and that. So, inner sill's knackered. You couldn't really see it, admittedly, but as soon as you touched it in there, it sort of fell off. The footwell had gone, we touched it, it fell out. So I'm just back to do it on central panels again. Footsteps, you can get half a footstep now, which seems in here, which is a really good idea, because we've got loads of these back bits we used to have to take off the old ones. So footstep, inner sill, outer sill, complete unit, same again, from here all the way through, up over and up the top there. We've ordered another one of these wheel arches. Hopefully we get to that one quick enough this year and do it. We won't have to rebuild the inner and the back outer sill. And then we thought, while we were at it, we might as well take the footwell out of this side and have a bit of an inspect, and it would appear that has died too, along with the inner seal. I mean, I reckon I can poke it through. So deep jobbing. Got to love Transits, haven't you? I mean, I know they're a sort of reasonably good tool for a lot of people. I've never had much luck with them, and bless dear old Mark, I think this thing owes him about 40 grand now, the amount of money we've spent on it.